question we are given two arithmetic progressions and we are asked to find out the sum of the common terms of two arithmetic progressions. If you are given two arithmetic progressions and if you are asked to find out the common terms or anything with respect to the common terms, you should notice that the common terms of two arithmetic progressions will also be a separate arithmetic progression. And the most important thing to find is what is the first term which is common to both the arithmetic progressions. In this particular case, we can find out that the first term is equal to 5. So if you are noting down all the common terms between these two progressions, the first common term will also be equal to 5. What will the second term be? For that we have to find out the common difference of the first arithmetic progression. The common difference is 5 minus 1 which is equal to 4. Similarly 9 minus 5 is also equal to 4 and so on. And in the second arithmetic progression, what is the common difference? It is 11 minus 5 which is equal to 6, which will also be equal to 17 minus 11 and so on. So for the common terms, the common difference of this arithmetic progression will be the LCM of the common differences of the two arithmetic progressions, which is 4 and 6. What is the LCM of 4 and 6? The LCM is equal to 12. So all the common terms will be of the form 5, 17, 29 and so on. If you are looking at a pattern, this is of the form 12 into k plus 5. What will the last term be? If you are asked to find out the sum of these common terms, it is always an easy way to calculate the last term, calculate the number of terms and then calculate the sum. The first one ends at 481, the second arithmetic progression ends at 479. So the last term will be of the form 480, which is a multiple of 12. If you subtract 12 from it, it will be 468. All the common terms are of the form 12k plus 5. So the last common term will be 468 plus 5, which is equal to 473. And how many terms are there? How many common terms are there? Because this is an arithmetic progression, you have the first term which is 5, you have the last term which is 479 and you have the common difference. Calculating the number of terms is not difficult. The number of terms will be equal to the last term minus the first term divided by the common difference plus 1. This is the number of terms in this arithmetic progression. What is 473 minus 5? It is 468 divided by 12 is equal to 39 plus 1 which is equal to 40. So there are 40 common terms. And what is the sum of all of these common terms? In an arithmetic progression, if you know the first term, the last term and the number of terms, calculating the sum is very easy. Just take the average of the first term and the last term, which is 473 plus 5 by 2, which is 478 by 2. This is the average of the two terms, the first and the last, and multiply it by the number of terms, which is equal to 40. This will be equal to the sum. Or this is equal to 478 into 20, which is equal to 9560. So the sum of all the common terms is 9560.